Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 13th, 2022. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today. And why is it crashing? I mean, it's simple. It's crashing because people are doing more selling than they are doing buying. That's it. If you guys only wanted to know that, you guys can go ahead and leave the video. But if you want to know more about how we're able to predict where prices are going to go without the confusion, I want you all to continue to watch this video, because this is what I do. I do price predictions. I come through and show everyone where I think the price is going to go way before the price gets there, so that we can have a heads up, so that we can be in position and profit from the move. So if you guys want to continue to watch, go ahead, and while you're at it, if you appreciate my videos, my content, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. I want to provide something of value to each and every one of you, not just give you a whole lot of hype, FUD, and FOMO. I want to show you that this is possible, that you can actually do this on your own. So check this out. Now, I'm gonna be real, right? I did a video for Dogecoin on May the 29th. It was an update video because I was expecting the market in Dogecoin to go up after my video on May the 20th. So I came back through May the 29th, 9 days after I did this price prediction, and telling you all, hey, it still looks as if the market wants to go up. And I continue to go forward with my original idea to look for the price to go up. Now, at some point, the market gives you information that you may want to come in and adjust and see that your prediction is not going to go right. It gives you information. At what point should we have known that Dogecoin was not going to continue to go up? Can you see this? Right? Because when I came through on May the 29th, right? When I came through on May the 29th, the market in Dogecoin was right here. Okay, this is where the market was. And I was still playing the strength into the market in Dogecoin. Now let's do a play-by-play as the days continue to go on. Let's try to figure out which day actually told us that your idea of looking for Dogecoin to go up is not going to happen, because the market gives us that information. Now, one of the biggest indications to tell us that Dogecoin was not going to go up was on this day. Let me show it to you, because I wanted to do this as a teachable lesson, so that you all know when to exit out a losing position. Right here. This was the first day that told us that, hey, the market was telling us, hey, I know you all are looking for the price to go up in Dogecoin, but look at this day. I'm giving you all a signal right there on June the 1st. The volume also came through on that day. What happened? That price bar represents the introduction of massive selling. The volume confirms that, right? It confirms it. The selling in Dogecoin happened right up here at the last bout of selling. Do you see this? Right here on the 27th of May. And even on that particular day, the volume came through. See, the market cannot hide their hand. They have to show us what's going on. That is exactly what happened here on June the 1st. Now, if you caught that and you said, oh, the same amount of volume came through on the 27th of May as well. High volume, both of these daily price bars, the market did not close at the high of the bar. Look at that. This is the play-by-play. Just like selling came in on 27th of May, more selling came in on the 1st of June. That's your first clue that the market is having issues of going up. Okay? Because it doesn't mean that you need to sell immediately. What it means is that you need to be on guard. The market is letting you know, hey, I'm giving you an idea that price is not going to go up, right? So that was the first clue. The second clue into the market in Dogecoin occurred here. Okay? Right here. Do you see that? Because from June the 2nd, June the 3rd, June the 4th, and June the 5th, the market didn't really move. Okay, so that would have told us, okay, cool. Maybe the buyers wasn't there on June the 1st, and they came through on the 2nd through the 5th, right? They came through. But then again, look right here on June the 6th. The market volume came through. We saw higher volume than the last 3 trading days, right? And the market closed off of the highs right here. That tells us that there's still more selling going on. And you got the confirmation again on the next day, on the 7th of June. The market went down. And then here on the 8th of June, the market continued to go down. Wow. Then you look at this on the 9th. The market closed off of the highs. You see all of these trading days, the market is letting you know, don't expect this price to go up. It's giving us a play-by-play. This is how you're able to know when you need to exit out a losing position so that you can minimize the losses. It tells us the answers every day. So we should have gotten out this position, out of this forecast, out of this prediction of us looking for the market to go up in Dogecoin at least no later than the 10th of June. We should have gotten out then, right? That's 13.59%, or at the area that I originally identified, right? That's 18.69% loss versus us getting out now. If we were to get out now, that's around 37.5%, 38%. So you got to know when do you want to cut the play, because I would rather take that 18.5% versus 38% any day, because we live to play another game. We didn't win this one. My idea of Dogecoin going up did not happen. I get it. You're not going to win every last one of them, but we can still learn from them. And I want to show you all how and when to know to let a play go. All right, so that is it. Now, obviously, I'm zooming out the chart now. The market in Dogecoin hasn't been trading around a nickel ever since what? Beginning of 2021. Here we are again today. We are now trading at areas that Dogecoin hasn't been at since a year ago. What do you suspect now? So as we look at this market here, okay, let me show you. As we look at this market here in Dogecoin back in the beginning of the year, we've seen a lot of days that this market seemingly wasn't moving, right? So we need to determine where is support at this area. Do you think support into the market in Dogecoin is going to fall around 0.047? It's possible, right? We can see the market fall there. 0.047. So what do you all think? I think we got a little bit lower to go. So let me go ahead and run this back. Okay. I think a lot of cryptocurrencies is not touchable as of this particular moment. A lot of them are not. Even if we were to get a small bounce, these cryptocurrencies are still reflecting that it got a lot lower to go, right? So usually what I do when I see the market, capitulate the way that it is right now, when you look at all of these cryptocurrencies, look at this. When you look at all these cryptocurrencies, 18%, like, look at this, double-digit losses across the board. I don't come in and do price predictions because we need to allow the market to settle. Okay, the market needs to settle to a point to where people become more comfortable. They feel the market is a little bit more stable, and then they'll come in and suppress that downfall movement. This is not a touchable day. Like, you don't come in and do price predictions when you see this many cryptocurrencies with double-digit losses. Like, this is a massive indication that something is not right. Something is not right. When you look at this at Dogecoin on the weekly, right? Look at this on the weekly. Look how we ended last week. So we shouldn't be surprised, right? We saw the conclusion of last week, what happened in Dogecoin, and it's just a follow-on. Like, nothing has changed in how weak this cryptocurrency really is. We saw the weakness all the way back since at least April of this year. We saw the weakness all the way back since the beginning of this year. The market in Dogecoin has been trending down, and we continue to follow that same notion. So if you're looking to try to come in and buy this cryptocurrency, be careful, because we haven't found the bottom just yet, in my opinion. Okay. Now we can find it around a nickel, maybe 4 cents. If I continue to see the market hover around that price level, then yeah, we could come in and begin to nibble there. But as of right now, this is not a touchable market to come in and buy yet. Now, you might think otherwise, which is cool, which is fine. We all have our own opinions. But I look at the chart, and the chart currently is telling me, especially across the board of cryptocurrency space, now is not the time. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts, your perception as to what you think about Dogecoin. I'm not touching it, but as the title of this video reads, that's the reason why the market is falling. That's the only reason why price is falling. It's because there's more selling going on, and the market cannot catch a bid. Like, nobody finds these prices attractive in Dogecoin right now. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.